Turtle by Valery Gorbachev. Two neighbors lived next to each other on the shore of Forest Lake. One neighbor was Heron. The other neighbor was Turtle. "Hello, Heron," neighbor Turtle would say, floating by in his boat. "How are you?" "I'm fine, thank you," replied Heron. "And you?" "I'm fine too," said Turtle. They were good neighbors. How Heron and Turtle went for a walk together. One lovely summer morning, neighbor Turtle stopped by his friend Heron's house. "Good morning, Heron," said Turtle. "It is a beautiful day today. Would you like to go for a walk with me?" "Yes," said Heron. "I love to walk in the morning." "We can walk to the meadow," said Turtle. "Then to the lake." "Sounds good," said Heron. "But friend Heron," cried Turtle, "you go too fast. Wait for me." "Where are you, Turtle?" Heron called. "I am here," said Turtle. "But friend Heron, you are still walking too fast." "I am sorry, Turtle," said Heron. "It is because I have very long legs and you have very short legs. I will try to walk slower." But in a moment Turtle shouted, "Hey, Heron! Wait up! You are going too fast again." Heron sat down. "Turtle, I am so sorry. You are walking too slow, and I am walking too fast. How can we go for a walk together?" "It isn't easy, but I have an idea," said Turtle. "Come ride with me in my boat. You will have no trouble keeping up." "What a good idea," said Heron. "I love floating in your boat with you on this beautiful summer morning." How Heron visited Turtle one day. "Hello, Turtle," said Heron one afternoon. "I was just walking by your house and thought how nice it would be to stop by and see you." "Come on in," said Turtle to his friend. "I am glad to see you, Heron." "Sorry for the unexpected visit," said Heron. "That's okay," Turtle said. "I will fix a delicious lunch for us." "Just wait a second and everything will be ready," Turtle said. "Don't go to any trouble, dear Turtle," said Heron. "I am sorry to keep you waiting," said Turtle. "I hope you aren't bored." "Not at all," said Heron. "I am almost finished," said Turtle. "Just one last footstool." "Now everything is ready, Heron," and the two friends sat down to lunch. "Perfect," said Heron. "I am so glad you visited me, Heron," said Turtle. "I am glad that I visited you too, Turtle," said Heron. "You are a very good friend." "Thank you," said Turtle. "I try." How Turtle and Heron were enjoying a summer evening on the lake. One summer evening Heron and Turtle were sitting on a log by the lake. "I love sunset on the lake," said Heron. "Me too," said Turtle. "I love listening to the choir of frogs on our lake," said Heron. "Me too," said Turtle. "I love the music of the pond," said Heron. "Me too," said Turtle. "I love the moon in the sky and the stars mirrored in the water on the lake. And I love Beaver's boat floating between the stars and the moon mirrored in the water on the lake," said Heron. "Me too," said Turtle. "Would you like to know what else I love about this beautiful summer evening?" asked Turtle. "Sure," said Heron. "I would love to know." "I love enjoying this beautiful summer evening with you, Heron, my best friend. said Turtle. You are my best friend too, Turtle, said Heron. And they both watched the moon and the stars reflecting in the lake together and smiled happily. The end. Thanks for watching, friends. You can purchase Tree's Adventure Making New Friends on CreateSpace or Amazon. I wonder what's up next. Click on Tumpsky to subscribe. Click on the next story you want read to you. See you soon, friends.